If indeed that's where they are headed. There's, you know, and to be fair, in this case, she hasn't read the Allen charge to them. She just sent back that note, have you come to any conclusions? And from there, they went on. And part of the Allen charge is, too, also to take a moment and look at it from the other perspective, and every state has a different version of it, as you said, and a lot of them don't have it anymore. We'll see what happens here. So now, if you're an attorney, what goes through your mind? I mean, we have seen in this case some very passionate arguments made by both sides. Lawrence Lewis for the defense here was very passionate in his open and his close. What's it like at this time? What do you tell your client? You know, this is a young man who, I'm sure, to your point, his head is spinning. Take us inside, if you will, that world in a moment like this.
Being a criminal defense attorney, in my opinion, is one of the most difficult jobs in our country and one of the most important jobs, right? You see the passion and the emotion that goes into it. His attorney did a phenomenal job, right, throughout this entire case. It's a very, very difficult case. Whenever I talk to people about the life of a criminal defense attorney, I always liken it back to the example of John Adams when he defended the British soldiers that assassinated revolutionary protesters, right? He was the most reviled man in the country, and he didn't even agree with his own clients. He didn't like what his clients did, and he knew that it would destroy his reputation, but he did it anyway because he believed in the system of justice. And he said, our country, if we are ever going to become a country, we have to defend the accused vigorously, even if we disagree with them. So I'm not saying his attorneys disagreed with him, but you saw the passion by this attorney. No matter what happens with this case, that attorney is not going to walk away from this case unscathed. He's going to be traumatized for the rest of his life, and this is what he signed up for. So and just to see the case culminate like this is as close of a call as you can get, you know, if you're a criminal defense attorney. And so I see nothing but raw emotion in that man's face, and his client looks like he's handling it better than the attorney.
Yeah, it's very difficult. You can only imagine for both of them. And all sides considered, the victim's family as well. This has been a long, difficult road. We're going to get a break in here. The jury continues now to deliberate.